Oh, video update on simulator rig build. Oh my god, so tired. This thing is beating the shit out of me. I'm having fun though. Sorry about the being dark, but I shut her down to go home or go to rest. I'm at this stage now. I've got everything on it. I'm now ready to wire it and fine-tune the screens and get everything fine-tuned. It's been an absolute blast building it. I don't fit in the chair, so I have to put a cushion on the chair for my ass to sit in there. And then put a pillow so that the sides of the chair don't dig into my fucking rib cage. That's how big I am. Not a small... Me heavy, 300 pounds. And I'm 300 pounds because of my sciatica. I can't exercise because of the extreme fucking agony it puts me through. So I'm just shutting down for the day. I'm gonna get everything wired up tomorrow. And then start the fine tuning. Get the PC room set up. I've decided I'm going to run a 7.2 Dolby Atmos theater system in there. Why not? I've got the system. Why not use it? Go big or go home. This thing is built, not bought. So it's been fun. I'll hit it again tomorrow and see if I can't get it finished. Be drifting by Sunday. Hopefully. Let's see. Thanks for watching.